한 번만. 한 번만. What does it mean? If you notice, the first part of this word is han. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word hana. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 178. Hana. Hana. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ha, the second syllable is na. Pronounce it with me. Hana. Hana. The word hana is simply the native Korean number 1. Again, hana is number 1 of the native Korean numbers. How do we write hana in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the two syllables. To be able to write the syllable ha in Hangul, we need to draw first a hi character, followed by an a character. For the second syllable na, we need to draw first a nian character, followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word hana. Now let's try to look into this example phrase or sentence. It says, only once or just this one time. The Korean translation of this is 한 번만. Again, it's 한 번만. The word 한 번만 can be divided into 3. 한 번만. The first part is han, which actually came from our word for today, which is hana. And this indicates number 1, or the quantity, which is just 1. The second part is bon, and it actually pertains to a time or a certain chance to do something. And the last part is man, and this is used to say just or simply this. When we combine the bon and the man part, it will become bon man, and the meaning will become just this or simply this, or only this time. But if we add the han part at the beginning, it would result to indicating that the number of times or the number of frequency of a chance that you wanted to ask is just 1. So if we combine these 3, it would result to a phrase that means just this one time. So when one person is asking someone else a favor, they would usually use this line. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase 한 번만 is simply only once or just this one time. And remember that the han part on 한 번만 is actually hana, which means number 1. And with that, you've just learned hana. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 168 to 177. But don't forget our word for today, word number 178, hana, which is number 1 of the native Korean numbers. Word number 177 is 슬프다, and this is a verb which means to be sad. Word number 176 is 울지마, and this is an informal way of saying don't cry. Word number 175 is po, which means what? Word number 174 is 내가, and this is a pronoun which means I or me. Word number 173 is hube, and this is the Korean term for junior or someone younger than you in terms of experience. Word number 172 is sonbe. This is the Korean term for a senior or someone older than you in terms of experience. Word number 171 is 안돼, and this is an informal way of saying no or no way. Word number 170 is 콜, and this is used to say deal. Word number 169 is 좋아해요, and this is used to say I like you. And the last for our review, word number 168, 나도, which means me too. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, on here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.